The topic we are doing operation with polynomials. We are doing subtraction in polynomials. The question is, I am writing the question here. Let's see 4xy minus 7yz. We have to subtract this value from 16xy plus 3gx minus 10yz. We are doing this question with two methods. First horizontally and second vertically. First of all, we are arranging these values into horizontally. Let's see 4xy minus 7yz. We are writing these values in bracket and now we are writing the add sign of subtraction. 16xy plus 3gx minus 10yz. In next step, we are opening the brackets. This is when the sign of subtraction is outside the bracket. Then we are multiplying the sign of subtraction with these values which are inside the bracket. We have to change all the symbols. Plus will becomes minus and minus will becomes plus. So this is minus 16xy and when will this minus will multiply with this plus. This will also becomes minus 3gx and minus they will become plus 10yz. First of all, we have to check the values which have the equal polynomials which has equals variable. Let's see xy, 4xy and 16xy. So we are writing 4xy minus 16xy. Second value is, let's see this one, the second value, yz minus 7yz and plus 10yz. The remaining value is minus 3gx. This will be written as it is. Okay. Now we have to add these values or subtract these values. So then these values we have to uh, simplify. Let's see. There is a sign of minus greater sign 16. That's because 16 is the greater value and there is a sign is written minus. And this 4 has a addition value. So minus 16 plus 4 becomes minus 12. We have to subtract because there are different signs plus and minus. When there are plus and minus signs, we have to subtract. And the greater value has the sign of greater value is written here minus 12 xy. Now there is 10 minus 7 becomes 3 yz. The greater value is 10, so we have to write the sign of addition. Like the greater value was 16 and we have to write the sign of subtraction here. The remaining value is minus 3gx. There are three values. We can check the, we can taking common value like 3 4s are 12 and if we have taken minus common 4xy, this sign will be changed minus yz and this sign will be changed zx. This is our answer. By a second method, we can do it vertically. Now I am arranging the value vertically. 4. We have to subtract 4xy minus 7yz from this value. That's why we are writing 16xy plus 3gx minus 16yz. and we are writing 4xy and minus 7yz. We have to subtract, so we are changing the sign of second digit, second values. 16 minus 4, 12, xy plus 3 zx, and the greater value is of minus 3 yz. This will be the answer. Here we have subtracted this value from this value, and here we are subtracting this value from this value. Let's see. We are writing this value upper side, and this value will be written lower side. Okay, first this value, then second this value. But in this method we have written this value first and this value will be second. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.